you feeling hot. Come feel success, I'm about to drop. She said she lonely, her man stuck on the block. Good thing I was horny when we pull up to my spot. I see the magic in her eye when she start to stare. So sweet, so humble when she really cared. She about to dump a man, he don't really care. Baby, don't rush, let's be free here. Shorty been through the struggle, shit, she hold it down. Shorty want a king, she don't want a clown. She love the convo, ambition keep her around. Shorty got a dark side, I be here like now. I love the way that thing clap, doggy style. When we link up, Benito going wild. I'm the one she call on, cause I make her smile. Started off like it pics on my profile. Call on me, she call on me. Feeling some type of way. She call on me, she call on me. She feeling some type of way. Oh yeah, call on me, she call on me. She ain't never gotta ask me twice. She call on me, she call on me.
Every step, a calculated blessing. I don't chase, I attract. Money is close. I'm tracking the room, putting away. Third eye see it, through the fake. The energy's slim, I can feel the shift. Everything I touch turn ground in my grip. I let go of the pain, let go of it, never drown in the rain. Building my heaven, brick by brick. No need to rush, I already exist. Heaven on earth, I ain't made my turn. Everything I desire, watch it manifest and burn. Beautiful inside, I'ma claim what's mine. Moving at my own pace, that's ahead of my time. Heaven on earth, I ain't made my turn. Everything I desire, watch it manifest and burn. I'm beautiful inside, I claim what's mine. Moving at my own pace, I'm ahead of my time. Let's make money. Let's to the next track. What's the next one?
Got stoked by the white hope. When black hands start building on black plans, that black man gets scooped in the black man. See black jam, black chick and black dad get hated on by black cab and black cab. They black slanging black like they black friends. Black ball by blacks never knowing they black gems. Black passion, we all got it, it's black habit. You can't act black, you gotta manage it. Black tactics, how black ass is sorcery and black magic. Some girls are batshit, willing to die for that black magic. It's black facts. Y'all piggybacking on black fashion. Still look at that black bastard shining in black fabrics. Blasphemous. After they taught in their black basketball rocking their hats backwards and fondling black asses. Black diamonds, glitter and shining, black violence. That's black flyness, not black or black violence. Black guidance builds Denzels and black pilots. Outside out they sky glance, they battle they black highness. A blueprint for black eyes and slick lip. Get black and blue on black top with the quickness. I'm cool without black eyes and quick shit. Go for black tints with black ties and slick shit. Ooh! So cold, so cool, cold, stone, cool, dude, how I move. They won't even stay next to you, ice cold, so smooth. Oh, but it's new rules, how I move. They won't even stay next to you, so cold, so cool, cold, stone, cool, dude, how I move. They won't even stay next to you, ice cold, so smooth. Oh, 6 new rules, how I move. They won't even stay next to you. I can listen to the draw, cooking, they gon' swim the folks, cooking, this is swimmers. Only Papa ain't coming home, cold, left the packed up the bell, set the brick of dawn, time said it's coming through. Damn, why you take so long? Cooler than your name is Jay, stepping out the brick of day, sharp in the reason, late, I don't want to pick the chase. Cold like a killer, or the marks when I hit your picture, body on ice, with a right price in the year, sign sealed, delivered, with a bow and a ribbon. Hot like the feelings, it's cold like the spiritual. It's old chicks wishing, it's new chicks listen. Get your feet up off that butter soft shit with your slippers. Before you start flipping. It's cold, maybe pimping. My way on the subway, it's only one way with it. It's a gun day from Monday to Sunday. They're till the 100 way. You go your one way, I come to go get it. Shit was so cold, it's so cool, it's so cold, so smooth. Oh, ice cold.
Let's get it!
Oh,
Black Rolling Stone.
Old chicks, new rules, I move. They won't even stand next to you. So cold, so cool.
So cold, so cool.
They won't even stand next to you. Ice cold, so smooth. Old chicks, new
So
rules,
cool,
I
so
move.
cool.
They won't even stand next to you.
Next to
You know
you.
what I mean?
Let's go.
Definitely.
Clap it up, man. Give us a round of applause, Black Rolling Stone. Yeah. Woo.
And the people that showed up, not to say that other people didn't have things going on in their life, but the people that showed up, it's a blessing that we are here. That right there is magical. Being a part of the moment, being a part of the blessed moment, man, being interested in something, involved in something, bigger than yourself, more important than yourself, is a blessing. And that right there shows a lot. That shows a lot within us. So,
yes, sir. Shout out to everybody that's here, because we are God's people, period. Let them know that we God's people. Let them know. Let them know that we care about the people. That's the bottom line.
That right there is such a big deal. So many of us, daughters and sisters, if there wasn't us, somebody got family, somebody we know.